Recommended list of extensions to download from the marketplace. So you can do that by clicking on marketplace, and then you can just go search in browser and open this up in your browser. So mine doesn't seem to work on here. Now, I'm going to tell you the ones that I find most useful here, and you can search for them in there. So I'm going to go to my extensions window here. Now, the first one I'm going to get is this one here called Universal Settings. This is really useful because it basically means you don't need to be tweaking anything manually here. Universal Settings means you can just go to this and go set Universal Settings. Extruded type, we can just leave that as it is. It's nozzle size 0.4, material is PLA, and settings mode is mechanical at the moment. Now, so what you can do is go through here and see what are you trying to achieve with your model that you're printing. If it's just standard, whatever, you can just click on that, and then that will just print it in the normal quality, nothing exciting there. If you're going for like really high quality, but obviously it'll be slower, you can do that. If you're looking for something that's strong, you can go mechanical. If you're looking for something that's really detailed with lots and lots of really tiny intricate details in, you can go for figurine. So all these have different ways of setting up the print. Yeah, and you can choose which ones you want to go from for here. So this one here, I actually just want like a sort of a fairly straightforward print because it's just going to be just a standard smooth surface. So let's see, I'm going to go for top surface because I want the outside surface to be nice and smooth. I'm going to go apply. And yeah, we're good. Set values to top surface mode, one for, okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to close that and then close that window there. And that should have all the settings ready there. Now to find that, you can just type in Universal Settings and go search. And it's this one here called Universal Cura Settings. So you can just click on this and go add to Cura. And then once you log in, it will then update in your Cura and you'll have that option under extensions. Now, other ones that are really helpful are auto orientation. This is great for if you're wanting to get a fast print done. Oh, we've got to select the object first. Let's see, I think this is sort of probably like in a good position anyway. Let's just change that. Let's go auto orientation, calculate for fast optimal printing orientation. So, okay, so it's saying that that's the fastest position for it to be printed in. Let's try a different one. So extended optimal printing orientation, okay. Yep, so that's still the best way around to print that. So that's quite handy. Let's see, settings guide. Yeah, so this one will tell you what all these different things here are about. So you can click on them. And if you're really wanting to go into a lot of detail on the settings, you can literally click on every single setting that's in here to find out what these actually mean. So if you're going to become a real 3D printing powerhouse, you would ideally go from basic to custom, and then you look through here and you can start adding and messing around with all the different settings on there. Yeah, okay, so that's my next video really, is sort of how to use the plugins, and have a look at the other ones in here. There's a lot of extensions you can get, so it's definitely worth having a look at something because some of them are really helpful. Yeah, okay. And that's